all know of the Huawei ban, which has been carried out by the US government for the security issues. But it seems that Huawei is coming back, and not only it's coming back, but it's coming back with a big setback for the tech community. So let's see how. As we know that Google has banned giving its services to Huawei, which means no more Play Protect updates, no Google Play Store, no YouTube, anyways. But still, Huawei seems to be smelling something bad for its company, and Huawei was prepared for that big change. And now Huawei has done something which is gonna even make Google fear.
Now it seems that Huawei was working on its own mobile operating system, which was called Hongmeng OS in China and Oak OS worldwide.
Now the Oak OS was something which Huawei had been preparing from 2012, because it seems they had somehow smelled that ban. And having a new OS is not only good because Huawei can control all the updates, but it is also 60% faster than Android, which is of course a big leap towards the tech community. But as we know that being 60% faster than Android is quite a big deal. So if Huawei had been planning this behind the door,
and if they execute the Hongmeng OS or the Oak OS on the Mate 30 and the Mate 30 Pro, and this is gonna be completely game changing, because Tencent, Xiaomi and Oppo has tested the Oak OS and they're ready to use it, which means more than 40% of the world is ready to use Oak OS.
Now in this situation where more than 1/3 of the population who uses smartphone are kind of shifting to the OS, Google is kind of very much affected by that, because they will not earn, or they will get less earnings, because
whenever you open Google Maps, or if you just want to know your destination, Google earns money from Google Maps. Even if you want to download an app from the Google Play Store, Google earns money from the Google Play Store, even for your subscription there.
If people start using OS, then it might be very difficult for Google to carry on their business. Of course, Google is not gonna be obsolete, because it has one of the most greatest business ever a company has done. But losing 1/3 of their income is a pretty big and drastic change, which can definitely affect their company. In this period of time, there are 3 things that can happen, and we're sure that out of this 3, something will happen. First thing, Huawei compensates, which means that Huawei will give the $30 billion price tag to the US. Secondly, what can happen is that Huawei carries on with their plan B, which means that they will continue with having their own storage module, own chipsets, and their own 60% faster OS.
And Oak OS will soon be a thing worldwide.
And the third thing that can happen is US takes off the ban from Huawei and allows it to do business under certain terms and conditions.
Which means Huawei will again be allowed to use full-time Android just as before.
But at the end of the point, it all depends upon Huawei, Google, and the US government. Let's see who just comes back, steps back, and gives other the opportunity, because it's not in our hands, right guys? So, but I personally think that if Huawei does what it thinks, there is gonna be a big leap. So if you like our video, smash that like button as hard as you possibly can. And if you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button, cause it will definitely make our day better. Nonetheless, it is Tech Boys, and we are signing out.